Hey guys, Endain here. This is going to be the first of a new video series I'm doing. It's going to run sort of like a vlog, but instead of being about my life, it's going to be about my Minecraft server and its development. Um, in case whoever is out there watching didn't know, I'm currently developing my own server plugin, um, mainly just for use with my server. It's not exactly clear what the final result of the plugin is going to be, but I think this little series is going to kind of help me figure out what I want to do with the server, help me arrange my thoughts. I'll just be, in these videos, I'll just be talking about what I've changed, what I've done. It's pretty much just a features update. Possibly, if anything significant happened in the server, like we had to change maps. Since this is the first video, I will just, I guess, list out what I've done so far, and what I plan to do with it in the upcoming future. So yeah, let's start off with that. Currently, the plugin is on version 0.0.9, which really doesn't mean anything. I just like picking version numbers and just bump it up every time I've done enough updates that I feel it's worthy of a new version number. So far, you'll notice when I logged in, there's these pretty little messages here. I implemented some sort of a back-end system that stores basic player data to an SQL database. That'll let me do stuff like see how long you've played, record your last login, and also I've added 3 new kind of fake items to the game. Money, experience points, and achievement points. All of which really can't be used right now, but will be used in the future. And then also I have a rank system that I hard-coded into the plugin for use within the plugin. If any of you are familiar with the bucket plugins out there, there's a plugin called Permissions that most plugins use to interface with to set up their permissions. I didn't want to use that just because I don't plan on using any other plugins, and this plugin's kind of just for me to learn things too. I'm only a novice programmer, so yeah, other than that, things that have been added are sort of a chat system that changes the color of the chat based on your rank and whatnot. That's just a pretty standard thing, just so people can differentiate players apart. There's a lot of commands that I've made, and it would be too long to go over all of them. But /cmd is my listing command to list the commands. There's basic stuff that I've implemented, like I've implemented a home system where you can do /set_home and then /home and port around the world. You know, list the rules right there. Let's see. XP to gold, convert stuff, go to recall, give for admins, announce, fun little stuff like /do. Thanks. It's hard. Oh, forgot an S. Oh well. And then it just announces stuff like that to the server. That's just fun little stuff to have some fun with Bucket. Other than that, the only significant things I've done recently was adding detection for when a player kills animals and monsters. So for example, let's kill this cow. You killed a cow and gained 50 experience points. So yeah, you get XP for killing animals, and when you kill aggressive animals, like skeletons and zombies, it announces it to the server, and you get more XP since it's a little bit riskier. There's XP that you can get from mining all the different types of basic blocks. You won't get XP for mining crafted blocks like glass or I don't know. This crafted wood, I wouldn't get anything for that. But, hey, there's some stuff in here. Oh, this brings up something else. You might have seen that creeper there. I sort of removed creepers from the world. I made them delete as soon as I see you. So that was kind of my newbie attempt at mob control. There you go. Endanger stone to zombie. Got 200 XP. Yada yada. The blue means it was announced to the server. I think that's about it. That's all that's really significant that I've added. One last thing was world limits. That just means when you get past a certain point, it just teleports you back a couple spots. So you can't, you know, you can't go forever in one direction. As much as I didn't want to do that, I felt I kinda had to, since I had to reset the map recently because the other one just got too large and it started getting bugged out and laggy all the time. So that was just a choice I decided to make until I can get a better server. But yeah, so there's a basic overview of my plugin. Right now, I'm thinking that what I'm going to work on is kind of redoing the chat system so I can start streamlining what components are sending messages and how they're going to be formatted, get a kind of consistent format to these messages. And then also I want to start working on the achievement system, which is what you saw with the achievement points thing. Right now I have 0, everyone has 0. Nobody has any achievements points because none of them exist. But that'll be fun. That'll be stuff like, you know, kill X amount of pigs, or kill 2 zombies in 5 minutes, or, you know, stuff like that. Eventually, once I get some PvP set up, there'll be stuff like multi-kill stuff, you know, all that fun stuff. Those are really kind of the next 2 things on my list, I think. So, yeah, we'll see how that goes. I'll try to make another one of these videos sometime in the near future when I've done something substantial as an update, and I'll talk to you guys then.